Turn your PowerPoint into a lifelike teaching video powered by AI avatars. No filming, no editing, just upload your slides and go. Teachers, make every slide speak. Upload your PPT and get a realistic AI video lecturer in minutes, perfect for online classes and blended learning. From boring slides to dynamic video lectures all in a few clicks. Make your lessons come alive with KreadoAI.
Professors, meet your virtual teaching assistant. Convert your course slides into human-like lecture videos with KreadoAI. Save time, stay engaging, scale effortlessly. Teach in 140+ languages with lifelike AI avatars your slides, your knowledge, global impact. Create multilingual video lectures from your existing PPTs in minutes. Whether you're an educator or a student, KreadoAI lets you turn static slides into dynamic learning videos. Engage better, explain faster, learn smarter.